nowadays there are more and more homosexual people in the world. In Taiwanese Buddhist centers accept homosexual marriage. What's the point of view of Buddhism about homosexual? What karma do they makes this change?
Buddhist literature is clearly mentioned. You see, the sexual, same sort of sex is wrong. But that's to believer. Then non-believer, so long, sort of, the sex, same sort of,
Same gender.
I mean, man to man, female to female, so long it's safe. Okay. So that's, and then marriage, that's according to the country's sort of law. You should follow your country's law. That's all. Then serious sort of practitioner about Buddhism, then should avoid. That's all.